Continuing with the kettlebell combos, I'm going to share another one of my favorite combos that I like to practice, which is called the Windmill Snatch. And it consists of a windmill and a snatch. Let me show it to you, then I'm going to break it down step by step. That's a windmill snatch. Now, any movement, you can see it as an advanced movement. There's really no advanced movements. It's deeper understanding of the basics and then putting them together in combinations to where the untrained person is going to see it as advanced. The trained person is going to understand that the so-called advanced is actually just made up of the basics put together in combinations. Okay, so you need to evaluate what is the purpose of the movement, why are you doing it, does it serve any value? Not every exercise is appropriate for every person, nor is it necessary for every person. However, if it serves a useful purpose and you can see the application or you can use the application, so what are we doing? Is there any usefulness to be able to dynamically accelerate and then drop under before it gets to the top? So it's really a timing issue. It's going to develop some athletic qualities. Okay, so we have a windmill. Well, we have a snatch, right? So you have a snatch. So this is review. Again, you can look at my tutorial on the snatch for some deeper education there. Now we have a windmill, stabilized here, chest up, stay on the vertical. Okay. So it's a windmill and a snatch, and then it's putting it together. So you train the snatch, you train the windmill. Now it's a 2 count. 1 windmill, 1 snatch. Windmill, snatch. I had that reversed. Okay, so it's snatch, windmill, snatch. Again, stabilize. You should be able to stop at any portion. Stop at any portion. Okay, so again, working the range of motion. I want to get to where I can really drop down into it while maintaining that shoulder girdle stability. And then from there, it's about the timing to where the 2-step becomes the 1-step. It's 1, 2. Now, as it reaches the apex, I drop. So everything locks at the same time. With the breathing, okay? You have to be able to control it. Control. Control. That's another fun combo for you to play with, the windmill snatch.